coming. We really appreciate it. It's lovely to see everyone here. And whether you are born with it or you learn how to do it, everyone here is special. Don't you believe that? Everyone here is special. So, can I ask you, Matt, please, what makes you special? Some talent or hobby? And people around can help her. We know her. Eric, come on.
I like PBR.
I like PBR. That makes you special. You like to drink.
Yeah. Nobody likes PBR. That's amazing.
Eric, watch out. Wait, I guess that's a talent, you know, until you have kids.
You can maintain it while you have kids.
Then that's talent.
That's the only way to maintain having children, though, right? Is drinking throughout. I mean, I have a dog, and that, you know, I can lock in a cage for 7 hours a day. Can't do that with kids, so I assume the drinking that's important. Wow, a lot of parents in the audience.
No, I had a parent who drank in moderation until I saw how other people drank, and then I saw it was actually excessively. Said moderation, but you know, it all worked out. I'm here. I just dropped only a few times.
Yeah.
I think that's a talent.
Yeah, well, when it comes to drinking, it's
Nature
versus nurture.
No, you got this.
How you doing tonight, son?
Fine.
Couldn't help but notice you were stumbling a little there.
Trying to moonwalk home, apparently.
Moonwalk, huh?
Yeah.
You having a good Mardi Gras?
Great.
Yeah.
Great Mardi Gras. Yeah.
Miss? Yeah? Where are your friends? Mardi Gras! I think you two will really
Mom, what are you doing here? God, I told you I didn't need a chaperone. I can't believe you followed me.
I can't trust you.
Mom,
People, look how many
fine,
beads I
you're my
got.
friend.
It's a lot of beads, man.
Some for you, you've been a good boy tonight.
You didn't do anything for those beads. There's some sort of law about that.
Yeah, what did you do with those beads, Mom?
You weren't the only one to get a taste of these.
Have you seen my glass of milk?
That's got a weird taste to it.
Yeah, I'm doing an experiment.
With the milk?
Yeah, I was trying to see how long it'll take to curdle.
That explains a lot.
I can't
The
drink a lot of this.
I couldn't put my finger on why it tasted so bad, so I had to keep going back to it.
Well, now you know. I don't appreciate you touching my experiments.
It's hard to tell in the fridge. I mean, you just...
I don't think so. You ate my dissected frog the other day. And it's clear.
I'm open to your family's culture, and I don't want to offend you by saying, "Oh no, I can't." So I just jump in. We ate a whole lamb once, a whole lamb.
I know, but it was Easter. You're supposed to eat
All of it. I didn't know you could eat most of that.
the face. That's hard.
The face, I was offered the eyeball as a gift. Like I'm supposed to be honored by an eyeball.
My dad likes you. That's a good sign. Look, I want this to work. Okay?
All this curdled milk is...
No, that curdled milk is cultural. Yeah, that
Guess it'd be pretty good on the lamb that we have left over, huh? It's just, which is weird because I just said we ate all of the lamb.
But we got you a second one because we saw how much you liked it.
My manners get me every time.
look, my dad's gonna come over. He wants you to be part of the family, okay? I know that's big news. Right. He's gonna propose to you on my behalf. So, I can't do it.
That's why I'm doing it for you.
I know.
It's really easy for me to get down on a knee. I'm basically there.
I appreciate
Did you get the 3 lambs I wanted?
But Dad, what about when we get further in a relationship? What if I get cold feet? What if I want to have kids?
I could do that. My legs don't work, but...
No, I meant advice, Dad.
Oh. That's what I meant. I teach by doing. Yeah. Where is this woman? I'm gonna propose to you for...
Honey, is he ready yet? Did you teach him how to do it?
Mom, that's embarrassing.
I'm afraid you're just gonna get hurt again.
Well, drinking again?
Only your dad's delicious milkshakes he always makes for me. That have a certain...
1987.
Yeah, that's the vintage.
So we're gonna do a dry run. So,
So no drinking for you.
about the proposal.
Okay, thank you.
Not the kids.
Oh, I guess I'm not needed then. Okay, I'll see you later.
Okay, so you be your girl.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'll be myself.
Let me get a character. You're not wearing deodorant again?
Oh, you're
I'm being hurt.
good job. I like me natural,
Yeah?
and because of that, and because you like getting lost in my chest hair, and you like the way my sweat tastes.
You remember all the things I told you about?
Yeah, you're back on this. And then, really?
Yeah, she likes that.
You like the way I like the way that you call out other guys' names.
That's right. Brings it to my insecurities.
Will you marry me?
Yes, Dad. I've been waiting my whole life for you to say that.
We're ready for him. Dearly beloved, we've gathered here today to the Freudian slip church of the dearly beloved, and
I'm ready for my bride. Here you are, beautiful. Don't ruin this for me.
not at all. Is there anybody who here has any reason to object to you guys getting
There's nothing
bed
wrong
and breakfast?
here. Here.
All right.
Thank you
Hold
for getting
together.
married in my church.
Really gotta reach around. Reach for my courage to perform this ceremony. Do you, Gary, take him in every way possible?
No idea.
He learned it from his father.
Lambs for sale.
How much? How much? Good price?
Oh yes. Sir, I'll get you a good price. It's $120.
No, please. Do something, no. My family's getting married.
Mm-hmm.
We want good price, okay? So give me...
But look at this fine specimen. You know, it used to be Mary's.
Really?
Back when it was little.
$100.
$130. We don't haggle in my culture. I'm just trying to make it seem like we're doing it.
Fine, 120 here.
Okay, thank you. So what are you gonna do with it? Take him for a walk? He knows some tricks.
Really? Can you follow me home?
Yeah, all the way home.
What else did you do? Basically it.
That's pretty much, yeah. Follows, you eat some grass, I don't know, whatever.
That's a normal sheep, actually.
What did you paid $120 for it? Come on. What did you expect?
You're right.
Now the $130 lamb.
Go on.
He's just a little bigger. It's okay. It's yours. You paid for it.
Okay.
What's for what?
Nothing.
What do you?
Nothing.
Okay.
This is not gonna be my wife.
Dad!
Yes.
Dad!
Yes.
How come I never met Mom?
Oh. So she.
Is she bad?
He's making fun of me at school for my speech is better than this.
Son, I love your mother. Okay? But she left.
What?
She went off somewhere to some pasture. Literally. And won't come back. But we don't need her, son.
So why do we always celebrate her memory during Easter?
Because. It's something to do with Jesus, he's a lamb, I never got that part.